Round 2, baby. Let's try and get this square.
Oh, look, there's the battle flag in the front room. There's Jenny Wade.
Yep.
Hello.
Hi. Look, there's Jenny Wade.
Yep.
Oh, God dang. Somebody went through the alley. Hey. Somebody shoveled the plaza. Is the plaza open? Nah, no it isn't. Don't look too bad out here though, that's the weird thing. That's also because people have been out here for hours shoveling and shoveling. That's a good idea, the height of the snow over here. There I am. See here. Sorry if it's a little shaky sometimes, I'm just trying to get that shot. Oh, look at that. I wouldn't want to be underneath that thing when it falls. Alright, there's just too much water on the lens, I gotta close this.